On Lenovo PC Support, you can troubleshoot and diagnose what might be wrong with your device through an easy journey to solution or custom troubleshooting. In Easy Journey to Solution, you can run another simple or custom scan to narrow down what might be wrong with your system. First, you will need to make sure that all your drivers are up to date. Step 2 will be your hardware diagnostics. The simple scan will run a series of tests to diagnose hardware problems on your computer. If an error is detected, it will suggest steps for repair. The scan will take about 10 minutes. You will be warned about a loud noise for audio diagnostics, and if you're running multiple screens, the extra screens will be black for a few seconds. Click the Continue button to begin. During the scan, you will see status messages appear next to each hardware component. If the message is green and says Scan completed, the component is working properly. If the diagnostic scan does not pass, a red X will be displayed. If the message says Not found on this device, it means that you do not have that piece of hardware on your system. When the scan is completed, a summary log is created. Use the errors to see more information about the scan. At the top, you will see the final result code. You will need this number when working with a technician to repair your system. For the custom scan, you can run a more comprehensive scan of your system. On this page, you can select the components you want to run diagnostics for. Further down the page, you can run quick scans to verify basic hardware functionality. There is an estimated time next to each component that will tell you how long the scan might take. Click View More at the bottom of the page to see more components. Click the checkbox to select your component. An estimated time will be calculated at the top of the page for components you select. Once you have selected the components you wish to scan, click the blue Scan Selected button. You will see the same warning for audio and video diagnostics. Click the Continue button to start. You will see status updates as each component is scanned. When the scan is completed, you will see the scan results and the final result code. Click Saved Results to save a copy of the scan to your computer. If this did not solve your issue, you will need to contact Lenovo for further assistance. You will need your final result code when you speak to a technician.